What is up, guys? It's your boy Randy with On Edge TV, and today we're gonna do a quick After Effects tutorial on lower third. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so yeah, my little setup is different here because I am in a hotel. I'm currently in Maryland. By the time this video come out, I'll probably be home. But yeah, I'm out here shooting a vow renewal anniversary party. So yeah, hotel is pretty dope though. Anyway, so let's jump right into it. So yeah, so we're in After Effects 2019 here. So yeah, so new composition. So let's do 1080 up. So yeah, when you open a new composition, 1920 by 1080, let's name this comp main comp. And 7 seconds is pretty good. We could do 5. Let's do 5. Sake of tutorial. So yeah, 5 seconds. And then yeah, so I open a new comp. You can do Command or Control Y. Sorry, Command or Control End. And call this animation or lower third, we're gonna call it. So we're gonna go here. If this is checked, make sure you uncheck it. Lock aspect ratio. So let's do 800 by 100 height. And 5 seconds, still fine. Alright. So now it's gonna look like this is fine. Don't worry, we're getting there. So Command Y or Control Y if you're in a PC to open up a new solid. So you can choose whatever color you want. It can be either let's do blue. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna go to about 1 second, and you're gonna hit P on the keyboard. Hit your keyframe. I'm beating on the mouse pad. I shouldn't do that. That's why I use a PC. I don't use laptops often. So, and you want to take this keyframe. You want to move it down. Just right out the frame. Boom. It's perfect. Highlight the keyframes and hit F9 to pull up your easy ease. And if it looks like this, then you want to right click and go to edit speed graph. So what I do is I like to highlight, it's a habit, and then drag this all the way over. Hit this again, graph editor, and now you have how it eases in. All right, that's perfect. So let's bring up a text. So let's type On Edge TV Tuts. Alright, with the selection tool, and I like to go here to my anchor point and take this anchor point and put it in the middle. A cool way is if you hit Command or Control on the PC, it'll lock in place. So how it select it locks in the middle. Boom. Go to your align over here, align tool, and align horizontal and align vertical. Now it's directly in the middle. Now hit S. Click this and hit S on the keyboard for scale, and just scale it up to where you want it. And that looks about good. Alright, so now what you want to do is, if you don't see this track mat, you gotta toggle your switches. So toggle switches, go here and then hit alpha matte on edge tuts. So when it comes in, nope, wrong one. So hit alpha inverted matte on right here on royal on the solid. So you want to make sure it's under it though. And then when you do it, boom, it's that simple. You can do a lot with alpha mattes and stuff, and luma mattes. So yeah, so now you take your animation comp, drag it down here to your main comp, boom, and then you just take this Make sure you're on the. Make sure you're on your selection tool so you can move it. You can move it down here, wherever you want to move it. If it's a lower third, if you want it in the middle screen, it's fine. But let's say if it was a lower third and someone was talking, there you go. Boom. Now, how do you animate it out? You want to click on that and hit Command or Control D for duplicate. Command or Control Shift. So Command Shift R. Sorry. Command Option R. My bad. To do reverse. And if you don't want to use a shortcut, you can right click it. Go to Time Reverse Layer. So now it's reverse. So you want to go about in the middle. Click on this one and hit Option open bracket and go down, Option close bracket, and you can trim, or you can just manually go in and trim it yourself if you want. You can do that as well. So now if you play it, you got the animation out. Yeah. And just a secret, another tip, bonus tip here. First export, so if you want to export this on a transparent background, go here, and you can keep it on QuickTime from your PC. That works perfectly fine. It's default. So you're gonna go to RGB plus alpha. So when you do this, it's gonna export with the background gone. So it's gonna be a transparent background there. So yeah, it has to be on animation. That's the most uncompressed. If you put it on anything else like H.264, but I just realized when I do this and I have it on animation on format option and then format here, and then RGB plus alpha, you can export it in a with a transparent background. So yeah, if this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe. We have tons of more quick tips and quick tutorials coming. So yeah, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and yeah, stay tuned. Let's get it. Peace.